Hi, today we are going to discuss about Sivasagar. Assam is a state in India, and Sivasagar is a district in that state. Sivasagar means the ocean of Lord Shiva, is located in Upper Assam about 360 kilometer, 224 miles. It is well known for its Ahom palaces and monuments. Sivasagar, formerly known as Rangpur, was the capital of the Ahom kingdom from 1699 to 1788. But it is said that the original name of Sivasagar was Kalanshupar. In the past, the Ahoms ruled Assam for 6 centuries. Until their kingdom fell to the Burmese in 1819 and their ruling class was all but wiped out. There are many historical places, which are Sivasagar tank and temples. Ramghar, Talatalghar, Karingghar, Joysagar tank and temples, Ranganath temple and Fakua Dole, Ghanashyam house, Rudrasagar tank and dole, Gaurisagar tank and dole, Nandang Sila Saku, Jagadhatri dole, Vishnu dole and Lakhesagar tank, Dhovra dole, Hara Gauri dole, Namti Vishnu dole and Devi dole, Gurukhiya dole. Moi dams, Gola Ghar, Ajan Pir Dargah, Ramka Peeth Devale, Central Baptist Church, Dikau Bridge of British era, Pohuga, Panidehing Bird Sanctuary and Bakhar Binjina tree is also located in Sivasagar. Now Sivasagar is one of the 126 constituency of Assam. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share.